Recently, a top Chinese military helicopter designer said high speeds and artificial intelligence are among the trends in the development of future helicopters, giving a glimpse into the possibilities of the country's next generation choppers, which could feature completely new designs and configurations. The world has made concrete steps in the development and application of high-speed rotorcraft, with the US commissioning the V-22 Osprey tilt-rotor transport aircraft and conducting test flights for the S-97 Raider and SB-1 Defiant helicopters. Within 10 years, it will be the norm for helicopters, or rotorcraft in general, to feature high speeds. Unlike the traditional configuration of previous helicopters, the new ones will have a very different designs, including those that were made to break the physical speed limit of about 300 km an hour, restricted by the traditional design. It will require exploration and innovation by helicopter designers to achieve high speeds while maintaining the vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. China's helicopter makers have reportedly conducted test flights for at least two types of helicopters with innovative designs. One is a blended wing-body multi-rotor vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. The other is a helicopter with a completely different, innovative design. Helicopters will also be empowered by artificial intelligence, and this means that a digital helmet or screen could replace the control levers on a helicopter, as AI could understand voice commands from the pilot, give suggestions on flight routes, or even make independent decisions under harsh environments or in complex missions. Intelligent technologies will greatly reduce the workload of the pilot in flying the chopper. Artificial intelligence will enable the intelligent flight of a single helicopter, the coordinated flight of multiple helicopters, and the autonomous carrying out of missions. With the rapid development of information technologies like the 5G and 6G, it is possible that the helicopter could get larger computing capacity from ground-based systems through a network, and this could optimize the helicopter's capabilities and enhance its efficiency. The use of artificial intelligence will apply not only to helicopters, but also to aircraft in general, including fighter jets. The development of drones is another future trend for helicopters, as drones do not lead to casualties. They are not restricted by a human pilot's physical limits and can be used in harsh environments, while they cost less and offer higher survivability. Miniature drone helicopters are also a viable option in missions like tactical reconnaissance, as they are easy to carry and can penetrate hostile defenses stealthily. China has developed a type of portable reconnaissance drones helicopter dubbed the Hummingbird, which is only 15 centimeters long and weighs only 35 grams. Meanwhile, the US Army is currently developing its new high-speed helicopters. The Future Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft, or FARA, is being purpose-designed to meet the US Army's need for a modern, highly capable observation, utility and direct-fire rotorcraft with the ability to quickly establish dominance on the battlefield. Part of the Future Vertical Lift, or FVL, family of solutions, FARA is a top modernization priority for Army aviation. With the FVL program, the Army will develop 5 mission-specific rotorcraft with common engines, avionics, and other systems to ensure interoperability, improve logistics and maintenance efficiency, and reduce costs. The program will use new technology, materials, and designs to create aircraft that can fly faster and farther than any rotorcraft out there today. New FARA helicopters will be more agile, maneuverable, reliable, and easier and cheaper to maintain than the AH-64. This will enable American forces to reclaim attack reconnaissance dominance with dramatic improvements in performance, agility, reach, survivability, and sustainability. FARA will help the Army to fulfill its mission as part of any trans-regional, multi-domain, and multifunctional force. The Army has selected 2 highly capable and experienced aerospace industry teams to develop concepts for the FVL family, including the FARA. A team led by Lockheed Martin Sikorsky Boeing is proposing the Raider X for the Army's consideration, while a team from the Bell helicopter is offering up the 360 Invictus helicopter.